It's almost impossible to get this on camera. There's thousands and thousands of native bees flying around. There's thousands of them. There's a good shot, you can see them all there. And that's not even some of them. It must be 10 foot high, 10 foot wide, 10 foot deep. They're all coming from this little hive here. Right in there. It's a 2 litre ice cream bucket. We'll put another hive there to try and let them into that, but they're not going into that, unfortunately. It's been there for 7 years. Doing the fertilising and the pollinating of the local local flowers. Great. They actually come from that water meter. Scoop them up with a spatula and put them in a 2 litre container, and then 7 years later they're still going. How's that for cool? There's thousands of them outside of the hive. I reckon it's probably too hot in there for them. Talk about healthy. It's good fun to sit and watch. Anyway, I'll let them do their work.